An NGO keeps filing PILs against mosques in Delhi, and the High Court just called them out. Here's what happened. The Delhi High Court has strongly pulled an organization called Save India Foundation, run by Bhai Preet Singh, for repeatedly filing public interest litigations or PILs alleging encroachments by mosques and dargahs in the national capital. A division bench of Chief Justice Devendra Kumar Upadhyaya and Justice Tejas Karia made it clear that the court was unhappy with the pattern it was seeing. The judges said that the organization was misusing the PIL jurisdiction and repeatedly targeting religious structures of one community. During the hearing, Chief Justice Upadhyaya made some sharp observations. He asked the petitioner a direct question. Do you see only one kind of encroachment in this city? He pointed out that every week the organization seems to roam around Delhi, spot a religious structure, and then file a PIL. The Chief Justice went further and questioned the intention behind these repeated petitions. He asked whether the organization did not see any other problems in the society. He spoke about the people who do not get clean drinking water, people who are starving, and the people who are suffering in extreme conditions. He said that these issues do not seem to catch the attention of the petitioner, while the alleged encroachments only do. At one point, the Chief Justice even asked whether the organization was trying to get its name into Guinness Book of World Records for the maximum number of PILs. He clearly said that these petitions disturb the court and there are way better ways to serve the humanity than misusing the legal process. The two PILs filed by the Save India Foundation were listed before the court on that day. One of them related to the Jama Masjid and the other Madrasi Girinagar. The petition claimed that the mosque structure was built on a government land described as green and secular. The lawyer for the NGO argued that the complaints had been made but no action was taken against the mosque. On the other hand, Delhi government's lawyer said that according to local authorities, the structure was not an encroachment. Senior advocate Sanjay Ghosh, appearing for the Delhi Waqf Board, strongly contested these claims. He told the court that the mosque was not a notified structure, that even the DDA had participated in the demarcation of the land. He pointed out to a single judge of the High Court that had earlier noticed a pattern in the petitions filed by the NGO, especially targeting religious structures belonging to the Muslim community. After hearing all the sides, the court decided not to pass any immediate order and listed the matter for further hearing on January 21. What makes this case important is not just the issue of alleged encroachment, but the larger message the court sent. The High Court clearly signaled that the PILs cannot be used as a tool for selective targeting or publicity. PILs are meant to address general public suffering, not to repeatedly single out religious spaces while ignoring broader social problems. The court acknowledged that civic authorities may sometimes delay action, but it also made clear that filing similar petitions every few days is not justified. The judges stressed that the misuse of PIL weakens the purpose of this powerful legal tool. In a city like Delhi, where people struggle with homelessness, hunger, lack of shelter, and access to basic facilities, the court reminded petitioners that the public interest litigation should actually mean public welfare. As the case moves to the next hearing, the High Court's remarks have already sparked a conversation. It has raised serious questions about selective activism, the misuse of courts, and the need to protect constitutional values, including equality and fairness. For now, the message from the bench is loud and clear. The PIL is not meant to harass, target, or repeatedly disturb the court. It's meant to serve people who genuinely need justice.